Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This strip or this road is also known as the Hip Strip in Montego Bay. This is a major tourist destination in Montego Bay, and you know, with the Sangster International Airport bringing in 80% of all the tourists that come to Jamaica, Montego Bay is a major tourist destination. So this strip is very popular. It has a lot of restaurants, clubs, hotels, beaches. On the left is actually Harmony Beach Park, and you can see a jerk chicken place on the right. But this is a very popular tourist place. The tourists can actually walk up and down the strip. They have security. It's a very nice place for tourists. So because of this, the Tourist Enhancement Fund said it's going to be spending up to 1 billion Jamaican dollars to upgrade this area. So we're going to take a look at an article that's going to give more information on what the Tourist Enhancement Fund is planning to do. The Tourist Enhancement Fund, TEF, will be spending approximately 1 billion to upgrade the Hip Strip located along Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in Montego Bay, St. James. We're going to upgrade the entire Hip Strip from the roundabout at KFC straight to Dead End Beach. We are spending 1 billion for the upgrading, said chairman of the entity, Godfrey Dial. The proposed Hip Strip development incorporates physical improvements and new product development, with the scope of works to include widening sidewalks, rerouting overhead utility cables underground, creating thematic facades and other renovations to further boost the aesthetic appeal of the city. We have advertised already for architects to do designs, and the applications have come in. We'll be looking at the applications overall this week because we want to start very early in the new year, Mr. Dyer indicated. Once we have the designs put together, we will be having meetings like these to show Montego Bay what the plan is and what we will be doing there, he added. Mr. Dyer noted that the TEF is committed to making Montego Bay a beautiful city for both tourists and locals alike. The St. James Municipal Corporation Multi-Sectorial Forum was held under the theme Building and Sustaining a Resilient City. The event featured heads of agencies and other stakeholders making presentations on topics related to health, disaster risk management, infrastructure, and traffic management, policing strategies, and among others. Alright, so that article gives more information on what they're planning to do. And the Hip Strip has a lot of hotels on it. It actually has 2 beaches, the most popular being the Doctor's Cove Beach, sorry. That's coming up. Actually, I think we passed it. Yeah, we passed it a while ago. Alright, and the Northern Coastal Highway is actually going to be expanded between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. So it's going to make getting into and out of Ocho Rios much easier. So persons can get to the Hip Strip much easier. Within Montego Bay, they're building a perimeter road, which will also help with the moving around the city. So this is a very good thing. Harmony Beach Park was recently renovated. Very nice park. And if they continue doing developments like this, then the Hip Strip will definitely become the #1 hip strip in not only Jamaica, but the Caribbean. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.